Alright, how's it going, guys? I am gonna try this Task Force 666. Um, Something new they came out with for Insurgency Sandstorm. And yeah, let's hope it's not hell. Figure out what to use. We might just use Alpha AK. Usually, I think it's like a frenzy mode. You can't put a drum mag on it? I thought you could. DMVG point. Drum mag, we don't need a scope. Can't be. I think we joined mid-game. Multicolor, sure. Light. Okay, that should be fine. It's all NA, so mid-game is okay, I guess. Did I not equip a... I'm so stupid. I didn't equip a IR laser. Accept. Save. Is there a thing around here? Excuse me. I don't know. We'll have to make do for now. Alright, I tell this is gonna be hard. I can't even see where I'm aiming, so great start. We're gonna have to do close quarters. I don't know if I killed any of them, but you know, it's worth a try. This is difficult without a sight. You are so slow on this. I saw all of them. Oh! Somebody saved my life. And I'm dead. I'm dead. How am I not dead? I don't understand. Look at him. He's on fire. That man teleported. I can't see. And I'm dead. Ow! How am I not dead? I need a sight. I kind of want to die. To be honest. I mean, I'm doing okay without it, actually. Oh, it's a big boy. That's a big boy. Oh, I don't have any ammo. Crap. Alton Man.
Alright, wait! Reloading!
Charlie!
See, sometimes you can see people's names and sometimes you can't. I don't know.
Charlie secured! It's clear. I'm up.
Is there an ammo box anywhere?
Yeah, I'm uninjured.
Or
Yeah, I'm all
anything
right.
like- it doesn't do it in this. Okay. No one's gonna respawn, so that's cool. Holy ADS time. What, are you not trained? Look at this. I can't see anything. There's a fire. Did I just one tap it? Probably not. One tap that. It's two big boys. They're not gonna take any pistol rounds, so they're just gonna eat it up. That's all they're gonna do. Surprised we killed him. Probably because of that guy. We got them all. I missed. There we go.
Yo, hey, I'm loading up.
This is my last mag, and I just used all of it. I don't have any ammo. I don't have any ammo. What am I supposed to do? Freaking knife war! Come on! Oh, I got him. How do I? My health is now 300. What? Am I invincible? Hey. I just want to try it. I want to die. Okay. It did say we had increased health. I'm assuming that's what that is. I didn't know it was that much. That man stabbed me a lot. Makes it easy, kinda.
What are you, afraid?
That man is mad. And now he's dead. I didn't pick this.
Yeah, let's roll.
Game. Okay. We'll stick with it, I guess. That's light. I can't see when I'm running. Jeez.
Okay, let's do it.
I literally cannot see when I'm running. There's ammo box there. I died.
I'm reloading.
It's not my fault they didn't give me freaking my kit back for some reason.
Let me load.
Why are we all just sitting in here, by the way? That's a big boy.
Cover me! Look!
Fuck! Hold on.
Game is a lot slower than the other ones. Sorry.
Drop it!
I just got off work, so it's sorry.
Cover me a second!
Why does it keep spawning me with this? Oh, it spawns with everybody. Okay, I understand. Am I naked too? I guess. I have a pistol? That's whack. Until what? I get a the resupply kit? Isn't there one in here? Sorry, I've never played this, so I don't know what I'm doing. There was one in here. Thought there was. Can't see anything. Whatever. I'll just use this. They're all around me. What?
Hey, I'm changing mags.
Okay. These guys are not trained. They're like... There's a thing up there. Thank God.
Okay. All right. I'm good. Okay.
Alright, that's what it was.
Clear. Green to green, dude. Let's go.
I'm ready!
So now we wait.
Yeah. Good to go.
Look at all of them. Look at all of them.
Green, dude. Let's go.
There's a lot of them.
I need a sec.
That's bright. I can't see anything. I literally cannot see if I look over there.
You wanna stop shooting me?
Ah! I can't see anything. Friendly fire. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I couldn't see anything. I really can't not see anything.
We're losing contact. Tossing an incendiary.
Why does someone keep throwing flash or fire grenades that you cannot see?
New mag in.
Like, I know it helps, but Jesus, throw it like somewhere where it's not in my eyes.
Ah, let me load. Hey, enemy in Foxtrot.
Thank God I can see.
Enemy in Foxtrot.
coming. Blocking. I can't see over there. It's so it. Someone without night vision needs to. This is AIDS.
We're losing Foxtrot.
This is crazy. Alright. Oh, that's a big boy. I'm out of ammo.
They're coming in. Enemy at Foxtrot. Frag out. Frag. We're losing Foxtrot.
Nice. Wow, that was crazy at the end.
Good shit, boys.
Nice job. Alrighty, well, I mean, that was the new freaking task force, if I can speak English. So, yeah. 43 kills. I'm kidding. No, that's really good. 2 deaths. One of them was on purpose. Probably wouldn't have died anyway because I didn't have any ammo, so.